day feels heavy on your mind, and your heart says things that ain't so kind. Slow it down, take a little look. Every feeling comes from the way you think it through.
Thoughts come fast like rain and wind. Not all of them are telling the truth within. Just because it pops in your head don't mean it's right, don't mean it's sad. Thoughts make feelings, feelings make acts. Change the thought, you can change that track.
Change your thoughts, change your day. Little by little, you'll find your way. Change your thoughts, change your day. Breathe it out. It's okay, it's okay. Change, it's okay. Change, okay. Change it your way.
Name the thought, don't run away. It's a fact or fear, that's what you say. Talk back kind, talk back slow. Teach your mind what it needs to know. Do one small thing, that's KBT. Action first, then you'll see. When you move and the feeling follows, hope grows strong and small.
The thoughts change your day. Little by little, you'll find your way. Change your thoughts, change your day. Breathe it out. It's okay. It's okay.
Your fear, you are not your doubt. Thoughts are just visitors, they come the day out. Breathe in slow, let love stay.